Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Telegram account on your PC by simply scanning a QR code. And you want to go ahead and open your web browser, a device, okay? You want to go to telegram.org. Once you're here, you want to scroll down, and right here on the desktop apps, you see PC, Mac, Linux. You want to click on that and then click on Get Telegram for Windows 64-bit. I already have it downloaded and installed on my system. So alright, so once you have it installed on your system, you want to go ahead and double click to open it. Click on Start Messaging. You want to navigate to where your Telegram is on your mobile phone, and you want to open it. Alright, so once you're here, what you want to do is to click here, and you want to go to Settings, and you want to scroll until you can see Devices. You want to click on Devices. Here you see Link Desktop Device. This button right here, you want to go ahead and click on it, and then you want to go ahead and scan the QR code. Okay, an error occurred, and so you want to go ahead and scan the QR code. Guys, this is how to log into your Telegram account on your PC by simply scanning a QR code on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.